Hey, what's up? So if you've ever tried sending something over TRON network and transaction just refused to go through, this video is probably going to save you a lot of time. I'm using Trust Wallet here, but same idea applies to pretty much any wallet that supports TRON. Watch what happens. Wallet opens, USDT's there, everything looks perfectly normal. You hit send, nothing changes, no useful error. Transaction just sits there like it's waiting for something. That's where most users start chasing the wrong problem. Maybe wallet needs refreshing, maybe the network's overloaded, maybe the app's outdated. Usually it's none of those. TRON still needs TRX to cover network resources. Without it, your tokens aren't going anywhere even if they're already in wallet. Once you figure that out, next question is always the same. All right, where do I get TRX? That's where this workflow comes in. Instead of jumping between different wallets, reading through long guides, or trying 3 different methods, you can handle everything in one place. Let me show you.
I'll leave the platform link in pinned comment under this video. There are way too many fake crypto websites now, and some of them are almost impossible to tell apart at first glance, so always make sure you're opening the correct page. Okay, so first I need to choose the amount of TRX. There are a few presets available, just pick whichever one matches what you're trying to do. Next is duration. That means how long you'll need tokens available. For a quick transfer, shorter option usually makes sense. If you're planning to spend more time working on TRON network, just choose a longer one. Okay, so next I need to add my TRX receiving address. One moment. Paste it in, quick check, everything matches. Confirm. So now I've got 2 ways to continue. I can choose token and network manually or connect wallet through Wallet Connect and make transaction directly from there. Either way gets you the same results, so just go with whatever feels more familiar. For this one though, I'm going to do everything manually. Makes it a lot easier to see what's happening and you can follow every step without missing anything. Okay, transaction's been submitted, so now we just give protocol a few seconds to finish processing.
There it is, TRX just showed up in wallet. So now if I go back and send that same transaction again, everything moves the way it should. And that's really why I like this approach. When this issue comes up, I don't have to spend time digging through forums or trying random fixes. Open platform, choose amount, a short wait, back to what I was doing. That was whole reason for making this video. A lot of users assume something's wrong with Trust Wallet or with TRON itself, when in reality, it's often just a missing piece that's easy to overlook. Once you know what's causing the problem, solving it becomes straightforward. So if you ever run into a transfer that won't go through because your wallet doesn't have enough TRX for network resources, at least now you know there's a simple way to deal with it instead of wasting time trying every suggestion you find online. If you've got any questions, leave them below and I'll do my best to help. And one last thing before you head out. Always double check the website you're connecting. One extra look at a URL only takes a second and it's one of the easiest ways to avoid fake crypto pages. Anyway, appreciate the time. Hope this gave a clear picture of how this works. Thanks for watching.